So this is the course evaluation for Mr. Ng's math class. And it says list two specific things Mr. Ng did to effectively facilitate the learning process for this math class. And I put something Mr. Ng did to effectively facilitate the learning process for this math class was do many YouTube videos to help explain the work when we didn't need to, so we could just go back to the videos to see what we missed. And another thing Mr. Ng did to effectively facilitate the learning process in this math class was go over a lot of problems and explain why the answer was what it is. Because in class he would say what was wrong and what was right. And the other thing is describe two things Mr. Ng did to hinder / prevent you from learning mathematics. I put Mr. Ng made some things very complicated and wouldn't explain certain things right. And he also sometimes made the class boring. The other thing is state two things you did successfully in Mr. Ng's class. And I communicated with my partner a lot because in his class you had to do a lot of partner work together. And I put another successful thing I did in Mr. Ng's class is not fall asleep. Explain two things you learned in Mr. Ng's class, mathematics and life. I learned more mathematical functions and I increased my learning capacity in there, I guess. And it's his class also taught me how to be more productive and do my best, and to not turn in late work. And then write about two of your best experiences in Mr. Ng's class. I got to learn more on how to be more comfortable filming videos like this, and I paid attention more because he would talk and teach the whole period, which made me stay awake. Oh, and it says, what do you think of the class overall? Give a grade and explain your reasoning. I give this class a C because I don't know. It says, was it appropriate for the grade level and the class? The class overall has been very difficult for me, and I haven't learned as much as I wanted to. And I never really, Was Mr. Ng enthusiastic and committed to the teaching profession? Yes, he would be enthusiastic because he would teach all period and would actually interact with us. He was also committed because he takes his teaching job serious. Was Mr. Ng's conduct that of an exceptional citizen and inspirational teacher? In my opinion, he was an inspirational teacher sometimes. Like, for instance, he let us turn in late work, and I think that's important for us, when we want to have a good grade. And also, when we wouldn't do our work, he would tell us something. And when some teachers don't even tell you anything. Write a letter to Mr. Ng's next math class. Please include what they might expect from Mr. Ng's class and any tips for success in the class. So my letter is, Dear Mr. Ng's future math class. Mr. Ng's class isn't all that easy. It can get complicated sometimes. What you need to be successful in that class is always pay attention and ask for help. I've always been shy in that class, so I didn't do that. That led to me having a bad grade. Don't be like me and always ask for help when you need to. Also, always do your work because although he accepts late work, you still have to do a multiplication chart, and no one really wants to do that. Another important thing to do as well is be caught up with your Khan Academy hours because that plays a big role in your grade too. Don't wait till the last minute.